Hey guys, welcome to Extreme Gaming. So I thought to myself of making Photoshop tutorials. So here's one. And in this video, I'll show you how guys can create rainbow text glow effects on Photoshop. I'm currently using Photoshop CC 2017, but it should work with any version of Photoshop. So just follow me. At first, what you want to do is go to File, then go to New, and from here select the width to 1920 and the height to 1080 pixels. Click on OK. Then what you want to do is color this whole thing black. Then go to File again, File and Place. From here select this brick wall. I'll leave this brick wall download link in the description of this video below. Download it from there and click on Place. Now this part is really important. What you want to do is select the corners of this image and drag it to the edge of the black background. Make sure you do it properly or else this will leave white first like border things around your photo. Remember to click shift while you're doing this. Okay. After this, what you want to do is click on add mask layer. Then you want to paint this whole thing black again. Then go to your brush tool and then select the size to 1000 pixels, hardness to 0, and opacity to 100%. And then go to the middle of this image and left click and drag. Oh wait, you need to select white paint first. You go to the middle of this image and drag. Okay, that's fine. Then go here and select the opacity to 25%. Okay, that looks dope. Now what you want to do is go to text. From here select Calibri. Select using Calibri font. If you want to use any other font, you should use that. I like Calibri font in this effect, so I'm gonna use this one. And select the text size to 600 pp and the alignment should be at the middle, and just put the text here. And it's a little bit big, but don't worry, just click on Ctrl T and you can then resize it. Just hold one side, press Shift and Alt and just drag it to become smaller, something like that. Okay, the size of the text at 600 pixels is a little bit too big, so make sure to put it a little bit lower than that. Also, spelling mistake, huh? Okay, that's perfect. Then just like, okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Then what I want to do is this okay. I want to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, that's enough. Go. And now what you want to do is add a new layer. And then select the gradient tool, and from here select rainbow, transparent rainbow. Okay, make sure to select linear gradient from here and opacity to 100%. What you want to do is to like this and make sure to make sure that the rainbow thing with all the text and hides them. And then what you want to do is go here to layer 1, right click on it and click on create mask. And then what you want to do is you want to select layer 1 and grow and right click on them and duplicate them, both of them. Duplicate layers. Okay. Then what you want to do is select this tool again and click on merge layers. Select this tool and click on merge layers. and then rename this to small glow. Then you want to duplicate this again and rename it to big glow. Okay, then select big glow and go to filter, go to blur, and then go to Gaussian blur and select Gaussian blur radius to 120 pixels. And then go to the small glow again, go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and select the radius to 30 pixels. Okay, that's like enough. Then what you need to do is select both big glow and small glow together and move them below your main text, which is glow, or in your case it might be different. And after that, what you want to do is go to this text, right click on it, go to blending options, then go to inner glow, and in blending mode select linear dots, set the opacity to 100%, noise to 0, and this should be completely white. Make sure it's all F's, and then click on OK. This should be set to softer, this should be set to center, and choke should be 0, and the size should be set to 15. Okay, then click on OK. Then the last thing you want to do is go to big glow, right click on it and duplicate layer. Okay, then go to small glow, right click on it and duplicate this one as well. Okay, that's it. You have created yourself your own rainbow glow effect text. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please drop a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much.